What's going on, cats? Today we're opening up a couple Yu-Gi-Oh packs, and we've got a guest, little furry feline here, who just loves plastic, and he just had to curl up next to some Blue Eyes White, Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Right there. 25th anniversary reprint packs. And we're just gonna get right into it. Aren't we, buddy? This is Atlas. His name is Atlas, and he's gonna be my little helper. He's very interested in the cards and me struggling to pull them out. Here's our first one. Open this. Let's see what we get. We've got, oh shit, almost dropped the phone. I was worried this whole time that I was going to drop the phone on Atlas here, because it's kind of just propped on the armrest of the couch. Okay, shit. Hold on, bear with me. Bear with me here. There we go. Alright. And we're back. Electro Whip. Two-Mouth Dark Ruler. Fire Euro. M Warrior #1. And Dark Fire Dragon. And then we got Furious Seeking. Shogun. Power of Kaijin. Ooh, and a Kurama. What do you think of Kurama? Not impressed. Alright, second one. Oh! No, it's mine! It's mine. He wanted it badly. You want to help? Help me open it. Come on, help me open it. Yeah, maybe it's a cat. You don't know what's going on. Alright. Okay, here's the pack. Open her up. Let's see what we get. What's that one? Is that a good card? Ooh. Monster Egg. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Laser Cannon Armor. Alright. Petite Angel. Oh my god. No way. Oh! Look at that, Atlas. Look what we got, boy. Whoa! Come on, have a bigger reaction than that, buddy. We got Dark Magician. Dude. That's like the one to get. That's like the one. Focus, camera. 13th Grave. Oh. Metabat. I've never seen that card. Huh. Violet Crystal. I've never seen that card. Maneater. Holy moly. Look at the Dark Magician. I was laughing because, I mean, obviously we pulled this for the second time. Both packs we pulled the Dark Fire Dragon. And then we got this behind the second one. And the crowd goes wild. I'll just put that here for you. There you go. PSA 10. Don't scratch it. Don't bite it. Don't lick it. Alright. Fuck you. Bye. Oh!